Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to clear your web browsing data when using Google Chrome so that you can, delete old site data, old logins, old stuff in general. You have the ability to do that. All you have to do is click on the three dots in the upper right hand corner, go down to delete browsing data, or hit Control-Shift-Delete, and this will bring open a little window here that will prompt you to delete everything that you want to delete. It'll start out with the basic stuff, and the basics are cookies and site data, cached images and files, and browsing history. What these things are is browsing history is all the places you've been to on the web. Cookies and site data are things that your browser uses to communicate with different websites, like things you log into, or stuff that you have to interact with involves cookies. Those cookies can also be used to track you on the internet, so it's sometimes a good idea to clear those out pretty regularly. And then cached images and files are the web browser saves copies of stuff, especially stuff from websites that you go to fairly frequently, so that they load faster in the future. And that stuff builds up pretty big time over like a very short span of time. And if you go to advanced, you can delete some other stuff like passwords, autoform data, site settings, and all of that stuff. I, for the most part, just want to delete some download history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, and we'll do that. We could do that all time, and that would save me, about probably like a gig's worth of data or more from this. I could also do the last hour, the last 24 hours, or from the beginning of time. Let's just do like the last hour just for an example. And then I'll just still have it delete everything. And then it'll go through all of that saved stuff on your computer and delete it. And then you can be like, cool. And then that's it. Now from here, you can actually take a look at other stuff in your privacy and security settings here in Google Chrome. They have a guide to your privacy, so you're going to help kind of curtail things online that might be leaking your information to third parties. You can also go through here and check out some safety recommendations from Google that might include improving some safety and changing your passwords for your Google account. So keep that in mind. But that, in a nutshell, is how you erase your private browser history inside of Google Chrome. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.